So after the literals, this is term. What is a term? So in this expression, it's a combination of terms. How many terms are there? This is the first term. This is the second term. This is third term. This is fourth. This is fifth. So what are you feeling? Okay, what is the term? The terms are nothing but it's a combination of the numbers with the literals having their own sign. This is plus 3xy is a term. 2x4 plus 2x4 is an 2x to the power of 4 is a term. Minus 4yz minus including the sign. These are the terms. If we will combine all the terms together, it will become an expression. Then monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. If the expression, algebraic expression is having one term, only the one term in an expression, this is called monomial. This is called monomial. If the two terms are there in an expression, having two terms in an expression is known as binomial. If these two terms you will see in an expression, then it is nothing but a binomial. The next is trinomial. Trinomial is nothing but if the three terms are there. If three terms you will find in an expression, algebraic expression, then it is an trinomial. Minus 4yz, if the three terms will be there in an expression, it is known as trinomial. And the next is polynomial. In polynomial, an algebraic expression, if there is two or more than two terms are present, then it is known as polynomial. So in this expression, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 terms, more than 2 terms are present. So it is a polynomial. So next is what is constant. So constant here, this is 2, 3, 4, 3, 15. These are the constants. Having the constant is having the fixed value. The number used here 2, 3, 4, 3, 15 are the constant. Any quantity is having the fixed value is known as the constant. The variable, any quantity is having the various values. Here which one are having the various values? X, xy, yz, y cube. We don't know the value of these literals. So these are the variables. Next is coefficient. Coefficient, even a product. So 3xy, I will take one example of 3xy. If 3xy, 3 is multiplied with x, x is multiplied with y. So it is a product of 3 and x and y. So in this product, the 3 and x and y are the factors of each other. So factors, if you will consider the coefficient of 3. So the other product of other numbers are the coefficient of 3. So this is the coefficient. If I will consider x, what is the coefficient of x? 3 and y. The other factors, product of other factors are the coefficient of x. So coefficient and factors over. Now next is base and power or exponent. Base. If I consider x to the power of 4, what is the meaning of x to the power of 4? X is multiplied 4 times. X is multiplied 4 times. If any literal is multiplied by itself repeatedly, then we will represent it as a x is raised to the power of 4. What we will read it? X is raised to the power of 4 or x to the power of 4 we can say. So x to the power of 4 is denoted as x in this way. So here, what is the base and power? This x is known as base and 4 is the power or exponent. Power is known as 4 is known as power or exponent. What is the constant term? The constant term is nothing but 15 here. If any term is having only the fixed value without any literals, but here this 2, 3, 4, 3, these are not the constant terms. Why? Because with the constant value, the literals are present. So these are not the constant term, but minus 15 is a constant term. So the next is like terms. Like terms, the remaining concepts will be discussed in the next video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new uploads on other topic. If you are understanding all the concepts, like my video and share with your friends to get the benefits. And most importantly, don't forget to ask doubt in my description box where you will get my WhatsApp link. Thank you.